Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to do some penne pasta Primavera. What you need to do is you need to chop up 1 medium onion, put it in 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and you cook it until it's translucent or soft. And then I'm going to be doing asparagus, so I chopped some fresh asparagus up. And what you need to do is you need to cook it for a couple of minutes. Before you add your next set of vegetables. If it starts looking a little dry, you need to add another tablespoon of butter. And you need to keep adding butter if it gets like that, or maybe just a touch of olive oil. So that's what I'm doing now. A little bit more butter there. It's going to get a little bit too dry. So just cook this over medium high heat, a couple of minutes. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and add my red bell pepper that I had already chopped up. Should give us a little bit of water out of the pepper to help prevent sticking and burning. Okay, you just cook that for a couple of minutes. Okay. The other vegetable we're going to put in here is broccoli. Isn't that pretty? Broccoli. Now you could do less asparagus or broccoli if you wanted to. And maybe even less bell pepper. Seems like this recipe is pretty forgiving, so I don't think it would really matter. I know you could probably come up with your own combination of the vegetables. Okay. Let that cook for a minute. Let me just get my salt real quick. I'm going to add a little bit of salt to this. There we go. Let's stir it up just a little bit more. Kind of get these vegetables cooking. So right now we have asparagus, broccoli, bell pepper, and onion, and some butter and a little bit of olive oil here. Okay, so what we need to do now is I need to transfer all this to a bowl on the side. Set it aside for a second because we need to make a little bit of a sauce for this. So let me do that real quick. Okay, so now we need to work on our sauce part of this. After you clean your skillet out, you need to add a tablespoon of butter. You need to add 3/4 of a cup of chicken broth. You need to okay, I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of lemon juice. And you can use fresh juice or bottled. I've got bottled, of course, because that's what I keep on hand. So I'm going to put some of that in here. Okay. And you needed to have had your penne pasta set aside. And you need to reserve some of your water. And it says to add 1/4 of a cup of that, or just a little bit more. Back into this. Alrighty. And what we'll do now is we've got to bring that to a boil. gotta bring that to a boil. And then we can do the rest of it. We'll add our pasta to that. Alright, almost there. The pasta's ready, so we'll be putting that in there in a second. And then we have one little thing to do at the very end. So you're going to be adding your pasta in here, but it's already cooked. So let's keep that in mind. You need to already have cooked your pasta to al dente, and then you can add it to this watered lemon juice mixture. We'll just wait for it to boil. It's almost there. Vegetables back in, and I'm gonna put a little bit more butter in there. Pepper. I'm going to put a little more salt. Okay. And the only thing left to do is to add some Parmesan cheese at the end. We'll do that here in just a few minutes. Okay, so we're ready to serve. And before I do that, I'm going to put some freshly grated parm cheese on our pasta dish here. And that's it. If you'd like to see more recipes, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon if you want to be alerted when you find out that way you can find out if I've uploaded something new. See you next time.